so excited to be at the Akron Zoo.
Me
I
too.
love animals, man.
But don't you remember hearing that passage of scripture? Be very afraid of the birds and the lilies of the field.
Wait. Did you hear that?
Yeah, be very afraid.
There's going to be animals everywhere in here.
Should we be afraid to go in there? I want to see the animals.
I'm afraid of birds.
I even heard they had a lemur in there.
Lemurs?
Yeah. Are you afraid of lemurs too?
The Bible said to be afraid of the birds.
Be very afraid of the birds.
Did you hear that?
Maybe if we stay away from the birds, we'll be okay.
All right, well, let's go ahead.
Let's try this. See how we do.
Why did we come to the zoo?
No, I'm so afraid of all these animals.
There's leopards and T-Rexes in there. Let's get out of here.
Hey, handyman. Let's check out the snow leopard. He won't be scary. He's
I'd be so scared, though.
No, he's made out of snow. Look at it.
Oh, okay. Well,
Snow
leopard. How tough can a snow leopard be?
It's like a snowman.
And it's warm right now.
Yeah.
All right, let's go.
Let's go. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh.
It's a snow leopard,
That's a snow.
and he looks. Oh, the king of beasts. Where are we?
We're. Oh, it looks like we're in a jungle. Oh no!
That's a lion.
That's a beast. Oh man! I'm out of here.
Ain't no thing but a chicken wing. I'm not afraid of a dragon.
You see that guy?
He looked familiar.
He did.
He looked very familiar. Do you think we can be brave enough to?
Komodo dragon? Whoopie Man. It says dragon.
Dragons?
We gotta at least try it.
We gotta see how brave we are.
I spent $8 to be here, so let's go
That's
find
a
out.
lot of money. Let's do
it
this.
is. There he is. That's the dragon. Whoopie Man is looking at us. It's looking at us.
Handyman, why did we come here?
I don't know, man. I'm so terrified of every animal we've seen.
I wanted to see all the animals. I got so scared.
Wasted our money, man.
We wasted all of our money.
You were like sucking your thumb.
I was very afraid of the dragon. The dragon was very scary.
Stop crying.
Jesus.
Don't you remember the story of the birds?
The story of the birds? I forgot that one.
Was it about the lemurs or the birds?
The lemurs? The leopards?
Okay.
You're making me cry.
Okay.
Let me reteach you the story. Come on.
Okay, thank you.
Thank
Thank you, Jesus.
Thank you.
Oh, you're so good.
Okay, it's all right.